Welcome. Thanks for viewing my TrackMan lesson of the week. This is one of my students I've been working with since June. This is Aaron. And he had the tendency of taking the club in early, laying it way off on the backswing, and then dropping the club extremely under on the downswing. And when we started, we were hitting pitching wedges, 7s, 8s, 9s, plus 7, which means that path is working extremely in to out, and he had a massive draw. It's always a hard shot to control because if that path is moving 7 degrees right, you got to make sure the face is shut. So I'm going to take him to the top. You can kind of see where he's got that club laid off extremely. And then we just kind of worked on, let's just get the club more out on the initial takeaway to be able to get it set at the top. Now, he's got a little pause stop at the top, and I think we're actually going to work that out as we continue to keep on this move. But let's start on the right. And then I want to show you the biggest difference coming down. So when he starts his club down on the right, this is earlier in the lesson, you can see the spread in his knees. He really locked that right leg. Now when he starts that club down, you can see that shaft shallowing, and that club head is already under plane at that point. As we bring that club down, we want to make sure that club head doesn't really even get on plane till about belt high. Now let's take the swing down on the left, and you can see how this gets on plane later, and once again just about belt high. So the difference here is he's got that club extremely behind him with a swing on the right, and this happens to be a plus 7.1. These are both 7-irons. So as he's swinging that club into out, right field, 7 degrees, he's really got to be efficient closing the face. And then as we look at the swing on the left, this path is a 0.9 positive, so it's a little bit into out, but it's just going to be so much easier to repeat. Now, as we take him into the follow through, because the path is moving under the plane, you can see that club working a little high, and then this club is naturally working lower, and you can see how much more square the club face is. So this is just a byproduct of a good downswing. So really where we've got him to go is on the first move down, he's feeling a little cut sensation, actually moving the path a little bit left through impact, not doing much with the face at impact because he doesn't have to. Then you can see how much better this finish is, and that club's just parallel to plane. So it really doesn't matter if you're working the club 2 into out or 2 out to in. I always try and get really close to a 0 path and a 0 face, only for the simple reason, if we can come into impact at a 0 path and a 0 face, we really don't have to manipulate one or the other. Conversely, with Aaron, swing on the right, if he's got that path moving 7 degrees into out, he has to be very active in the hands. So once again, everyone's a little bit different, but I sure like that swing on the left, and he's doing a great job. Thanks for watching.